Welcome to another episode of Chocks and Crocs. Hey guys, we're on the road here. We are going to be away for over a week, and I have some awesome meals to share with you and tips for how to keep it super simple so you can spend your time adventuring and not in the kitchen when on the road. Okay, so let's see what's in the fridge. So this is what our fridge looks like when we are away for 7 to 10 days. It looks like a mess, but I promise it is organized chaos. A lot fits here in this fridge. We love it. And our freezer is equally as packed. So I'm going to go through and share meal by meal what we have. So my first night of camping is always the same meal. I bake a loaf of sourdough bread before I leave the house, and then I bring along some things to put on it. So this time around, we had spinach and artichoke dip. We always have this fig spread, hummus. This I really liked a lot. It's like a jelly, but without any sugar or anything. It's called Smash. Some butter, and I have some cheese slices to go with it. Okay, night number 2 are burritos. Usually we're tired, we've been adventuring all day, so we have these gluten-free, non-dairy burritos from Amy's, our choice of chips, and our favorite salsa. This is an easy camping dinner, falafel bowls. So I have falafel, which is already done and frozen, over some cauliflower rice. And then I pre-cut the veggies before our camping trip. We have some spinach, cucumber, parsley, red onion, and tomatoes, with some hummus and Kalamata olives, and then something pickled. So these are hot and spicy extreme beans. Put them all together, and you've got yourself a nice, nourishing, delicious homemade meal. Okay, we have another travel day coming up, so another super easy meal to get us through. We have basmati rice with some chana masala and some Bombay potatoes. These are great. We keep them in the RV throughout the season, so we always have a quick and easy meal. And when you get to the campground late, the last thing I want to be doing is hustling to make a dinner. So very easy and simple to make. Okay, the next night we are at the campground, so we're going to pull out our Blackstone and make some pepper steak. We're using Beyond Steak. I have some peppers and onions and making some instant mashed potatoes on the side. Okay, I'm going to make some stir fry out on the Blackstone. I get these stir fry blends, organic veggies from Whole Foods, and I'll cut up a little just egg to put in that, and some rice ramen noodles, and season it with some of this coconut aminos. Super simple. Okay, you guys, the next night we are going to do a taco bar. So before I leave, I make a huge batch of lentil taco meat made with chili powder and garlic and onions, and I freeze it here on the flat so it takes up less space in the freezer. And then we'll serve that with some of this Primal Kitchen spicy queso, our favorite salsa, some olives. If I still have avocados at that point, we will use avocados, and if not, then I bring along some of these individually packaged guacamole and some greens, and we'll have delicious taco bowls. Okay, the next night is going to be 4th of July, and we are going to be camping with some family. So we have some Impossible ground beef to make smash burgers, Possible hot dogs, and then to put on our burgers, I have some Grillo's pickles, and some of this caramelized onion jam I thought looked really yummy. I have some sauerkraut for our hot dogs, some watermelon on the side. I have some cornbread that I made and froze, so that is here, along with some barbecue jackfruit that is frozen here, and some baked beans I made ahead of time that are also frozen, ready to go. All right, we're gonna do some pasta here. I like this Veggie Craft brand, which is a vegetable-based pasta, so it's grain-free, with some marinara sauce, our favorite brand. And then I always bring along frozen vegetables. I have the Mediterranean blend and broccoli, so we can get plenty of veggies in us after that barbecue. Okay, our final night is going to be a travel day, so I have some of these Amy's vegan and gluten-free vegetable lasagna. I kind of punt on these days and just make them really simple. We'll also probably have some leftovers, so we can also have those if we decide not to use these, but they're in the freezer just in case. Okay, let me show you what I have here for breakfast. Okay, I try to keep an assortment of things for breakfast. We always keep these in the rig, so we have them. But in addition, I have something that we can make on the Blackstone. So there are some shredded hash browns here, some Beyond sausage. I have some of these frozen acai bowls and some high-protein oats. And we always have tons of fruit. And you may have seen this in other videos. I usually make smoothies ahead of time and have those ready to go. So that's coconut water, frozen blueberries, bananas, and a bunch of different powders in there too. You guys, I almost forgot these cinnamon rolls. So we put them in those iron pudgy pie iron things, and they are just so good. So definitely can't forget these guys. Okay, and then for lunches, I usually try to make one good salad before I leave home. So this is a chickpea salad. I think it's like the no tuna chicken salad or something like that. I don't know, but it has capers and pickles and red onions, and it's made with a tahini Dijon sauce, and it's so delicious. And I usually serve it with some cassava wraps, but it's also good over greens. So I have that, and I always keep some almond butter with us too. So we have plenty of stuff for lunches. And if we decide not to have that, then we'll usually have some crudité with hummus and vegetables. So, oh gosh, in here I have a couple of different hummuses and some baby carrots and some zucchini and cucumbers and some extra peppers. So we will be all set with salads and crudités. Okay guys, I hope that gave you some good ideas for quick and easy, delicious camping meals, and hope that you can enjoy some with your family. It is about to thunderstorm now, so I'm gonna head outside and start breaking down the campsite. All right, happy travels.
Thanks for watching Chocks and Crocs. Until next time, keep adventuring.